Simulations are one of the coolest parts of 3D, but they're also some of the most confusing. You tweak one small setting and suddenly your simulation completely breaks. But what if you could finally understand exactly how simulations work in Blender and how to use them to create some pretty cool animations just like this? Hello everyone and welcome to another Blender Made Easy video. This one's going to be a little bit different because I want to show you something that I've been working on for a long time. It's called Learn Blender Simulations the Right Way. It's a complete step-by-step guide to take you from guessing and Googling to mastering Blender's 6 different major simulation systems. Those being liquid, smoke and fire, soft body, rigid body, cloth, and dynamic paint. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what's inside the book, how it's structured, and why I think it's one of the most practical resources out there if you're serious about learning simulations. And before we get started, I'm giving away 2 signed copies of the book, so stick around to the end to learn how to enter. So how the book is structured is first you'll learn what each simulation is and all of its settings. After that, there's going to be a step-by-step tutorial showing you exactly how to use what you just learned in a practical way. For example, Chapter 2 is all about Mantflow, which is the liquid and smoke simulator in Blender. We go through all 147 settings, yes, I did count each one of them. Then after gaining all of that knowledge, we're going to use it to create a campfire scene in Chapter 3. We'll go through the process of adding fire to the logs, creating the simulation, and creating spark particles. After that, we're going to move on to the liquid simulation in Chapter 4. We'll add collision to the rocks and simulate the liquid with foam particles to create this really nice waterfall animation. One of my favorite chapters is Chapter 5, where we learn how to simulate this massive explosion. And this continues on for the next 4 simulations in Blender. With the soft body simulation, we create an entire obstacle course for the sphere to go through. Chapter 9 is a flag animation, and instead of attaching the flag to the pole like you've probably seen in other tutorials, we're actually going to go through the process of adding physics to the rope and using a feature in the claw simulation called sewing. This will allow us to attach the flag to the rope itself rather than the pole. Chapters 10 and 11 deal with the rigid body system, and by the end you'll have created the animation you see on screen. Last but not least, chapters 12 to 14 are all about dynamic paint. After going through the settings and learning how to use dynamic paint, we'll create a paintbrush animation and a raindrop particle effect. With this second edition of this book, there is a brand new chapter where we combine all 3 different simulations together, those being dynamic paint, fire, and cloth to create this burning up effect. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your skills to the next level, this nearly 400-page book is the fastest way to get comfortable with Blender simulations. You can grab yourself a copy with the link in the description. And as mentioned earlier, I'm giving away 2 signed copies. And all you have to do to enter is make sure you're subscribed to the channel and leave a comment down below letting me know which Blender simulation is your favorite to work with. I'll be randomly choosing 2 winners and announce them in a community post next week. But there we go, that is going to be it for this video. Again, make sure to click the link in the description, check it out, and let me know what you think of it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.